Hey guys, hope you're having a good day. I wanted to ask you guys a question. What are the most comfortable seats available today for a person with a bad back? So we are shopping for another car. After the debacle with the Cadillac, my wife and I just aren't trusting that as a family vehicle. It's got some jankiness now to it. It's tainted. And so what we're wanting to do is probably replace it with something that we can reliably put on 20, 30, 40,000 miles per year consistently. We like to travel quite a bit, and we're still holding on to Silva, and she's going to be our towing vehicle, but we're needing another vehicle that is going to be, number one, comfortable, number two, reliable. And I know those are both tall orders. We got to have some room, because whenever our sons travel with us, or even just ride with us to town or anything like that, yeah, we need like 1,000 pounds payload here at least. And so a car's pretty much out because of that, and a lot of SUVs are out because of that. So we got to spend some time in the GMC Acadia and the GMC Terrain, I think. Both of those are out, and so we don't want a GMC, don't really want a GM car, so we're kind of sour on that right now. We've considered electrics, so I'm not a green freak by any stretch of the imagination or anything like that, but they make nice cars. And so swap you guys over here. So we are considering like an electric car, so it doesn't have to be an internal combustion engine. We do like the Tesla car. Seems to have pretty comfortable seats, and they're pretty nice. Lots of technology, and you know, I know that their quality was kind of an issue a while back, but seems to be coming along pretty good. I know several people that own newer Teslas. Then there's always the the tried and true Honda and Toyota, but I've been reading about some pretty serious issues with Honda as far as reliability is concerned, and so we're not so sure we're going to get that either. Looking at the stats, like the Tesla's looking pretty good as far as reliability. I just don't know. I've got some working to do. Like, everywhere we like to go is 600 plus miles away, and so we would need something kind of strong with a lot of battery juice if we do that. Of course, there's always the internal combustion engine. Which one do we get? And so thinking about a Toyota, what do they call those? Highlander. Never even sat in the thing, so I don't know. Another vehicle we were considering, I have to turn around here. Another vehicle we were considering is the Ford Mustang Mach-E. Of course, that's an electric. I don't want an EcoBoost. We've already had one of those go. And so it's actually kind of crazy. Like, in the last year and a half, I've had more car problems than I've had my whole life. But it is what it is. And let's see here. She likes the way the Genesis looks, but I'm not sure we're going to go for the Genesis either, because that's basically a Hyundai. And let's see what else. No Kia. Kia's out. They got bad engines. Subaru comes with a stereotype. I don't want to deal with that. Geez, I'm getting kind of limited. Acura, same Honda problems, but maybe they've got those sorted out. You guys let me know down in the comments. I'm not an expert by any means. Let's see. Pretty much Toyota, Lexus, Mercedes and BMW are pretty much out. We want to keep it, you know, for 200,000 miles or so. What do you guys think? I don't know. Give me some recommendations below. My wife has a bad back, and so the seat has to be excellent. the seat in Silva works great for her back, and so maybe I just buy a 3/4 ton and let her drive Silva. What do you guys think of that? And so she has no problem with that. Doesn't have to be like a premium leather interior or anything like that. It just has to be comfortable and that sort of thing. So let me know down in the comments what you guys think. I'd love to hear your suggestions. What are the most comfortable seats? What do you guys recommend us to go look at and try out, and that sort of thing. So love to hear from you guys. Let me know. Take care. Hope you have a great day.